This year, with a dedicated team of 22 teachers and 6 coordinators, we taught approximately 1,385 hours per month, covering core English, math, and science, with an additional 16 English courses for our upper levels. We expanded our curriculum to better prepare our students for success here at SPIM as well as university. Our teachers actively participated in school festivals and events while continuing to strengthen our partnerships with our SPIM counterparts. It's been a very challenging year, but with everyone's support, our students thrived. Please enjoy our year in review. Welcome to SPIM.